So in my computer running on Windows, I open Microsoft Word and I'm showing create this symbol. This is a symbol of square four corners. You can see this is a square with four corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to create this square four corners using keyboard shortcut in your Microsoft Word is the topic that we are discussing in this video. So for creating this symbol, you must keep in mind this keyboard shortcut Alt 9974. Okay, I'll show you how to create. First you must go to your computer keyboard, and this keyboard is the number lock key, so you press the number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. You do not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time here you must type 9974. After typing 9974 you can release your finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that the symbol have been arrived in our computer. For more videos you can subscribe Engineers Cell Online. Thank you.